Hello guys, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a new cool paper airplane. This paper airplane is designed based on the Jupiter Fighter. If you follow my channel from day one, you know Jupiter Fighter is one of my first paper airplanes design ever. And I have a couple of versions of the Jupiter Fighter as well, a couple of ways to fold the Jupiter Fighters. It's tweaking a little bit. This paper airplane is the ultimate Jupiter Fighter. This is perfect for you to fly indoor and outdoor, and the shape is much better than the Jupiter Fighter. Anyways, let's start. To make the ultimate Jupiter Fighter, you need a piece of your letter size paper. First of all, let's fold the paper in half this way. Make sure that all edges are lined up, so I need to adjust the paper a little bit more. Here we go, so it's look perfect. Now unfold the paper, press down the paper. Next, start from this edge, fold both sides of the edge to the center crease. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Now, start from this tip, fold straight to this corner. Actually, now let's start from this edge, fold to the center crease, and repeat the same fold for the other side. On the following step, let's start from this tip, fold straight down. Use the center crease as a reference to fold the paper. So, to do that, I will flip the paper over first, and then I will fold down. Let me fold down. I will curve the paper and slowly until I see this intersection of both edges. So let me fold down here. I will use the center crease as a reference as well. Let me hold the paper up and I'll show you. You can see this intersection of this edge and the other edge right here. So let's press down a bit. Okay, when you press down, make sure that the center crease are matching. I will measure the center crease on my jeans. So I press it down and I turn the paper over, and now I can adjust the paper. See, I need to adjust the paper. I need to hold the paper right here, and I press the paper down. Adjust it a little bit if you have to. Press down the paper. All right, now while the paper look like this, I will turn the paper this way, and then I will start from both edges here, fold both sides to the center crease. So I just fold this side first. And now I repeat the same fold for the other side. So adjust the paper just a little bit more. Perfect. So this is what we have, and this look very cool. This look awesome, right? Next step, I will start from this edge and make a fold to the other edge. So I just fold out like this. And I press the paper down. Next step, I repeat the same fold for the other side. Alright, and then I unfold the paper. So this is what we have. We have this crease and the other crease. So we have two creases for both sides. That is perfect. Next step, I will unfold this part. You can see this small pocket here. I will open it. Okay, and then I press it down until this crease matches to the edge. So let's adjust and press down the paper. This is one side of the paper, so I press it down. Once I finish one side, I repeat the same fold for the other side. I just adjust the paper and press it down. Okay, so this is what I have. This looks so nice already. Now I will turn the paper over, and you can see this crease. You can see this crease here. Imagine that you have a straight line from this edge to the other edge. So I just fold this side up. Let me adjust and fold it. I'll press down the paper. Here we go. So this is what we have. We have a very nice shape, the paper airplane. Next step, let's fold the paper in half. And then turn the paper this way. To create the wings, that is very easy. Start from this edge first, match it to the other edge. Curve the paper and then you can match it. And press the paper down. And then I flip the paper over and repeat the same fold. So just adjust and fold. Very easy. Here we go. So this is what we have. Let me turn the paper like this first, and then I am going to create these stabilizers of the paper plane. So you can see this edge. It's for this size of the paper up. Make sure that the crease we are going to make will parallel with this edge. So we adjust and fold. You can eyeball, that is okay. And then I press it down. The distance from here to here is about 3/4 of an inch. Alright, it's about 1.5 centimeters. Alright, so let me flip the paper over and I fold this size of this edge or this wing up. So very easy. Here we go. Now I can unfold the wings. Make sure that it looks nice. Adjust it a little bit. Hold the paper up. And here you go. This is a new cool paper airplane. Let's test it out. And don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Okay guys, so let's test out this paper airplane. Make sure that at the end of the wings you curve it up a little bit like I have here. Just a little bit. And make sure that both sides are even. And now let's throw it up at 30 to 40 degrees. Hold the paper airplane at the center of the plane as well. And now let's throw it. How do you think, guys? Isn't this awesome? Let's test this out one more time.